Welcome to this review and unboxing of the Rotring 600 mechanical pencil in gold colour. First of all, it's got this beautiful, lovely cardboard box and sleeve. The gold dot on the end. Yeah, the writing is embossed. Yeah, looks really nice. Let's have a look. There we are. Rotring 600 0.5mm mechanical pencil in gold finish. Let's get it out the box. All the packaging is cardboard and fully recyclable, which is good to see, no plastic at all. Put those to one side. And here's the instructions. These are fairly standard across the whole range. Here's a closer look. Beautiful gold finish. Got the word Rotring embossed in the clip there. Here you can rotate the bezel to signify what hardness of lead is in the pencil. Comes with HB as standard. All metal construction. Beautiful knurling here. Gives you a really good grip. And the tube there is also metal. Yeah, so we pop the cap off here. It's hollow, got a hole in it. Got a standard white eraser, which is replaceable, and that's where you put the leads. So it's beautifully machined and manufactured, really nice quality. It's a Rotring 600 and 0.5mm. Got a really good firm mechanism. It's hard to show the quality on video, but it feels really good. Let's see how it writes. Yeah, really nice. They use a good quality lead in these. Yeah, feels lovely. Yeah, it's really nice finish, that. So it's a Rotring 600 in gold. Overall length is about 14 centimetres, which is fairly standard. So yes, all in all, a really good pencil. Rotring are my favourite brand. I've got to admit I'm biased. Yes, it's a lovely pencil all round. So it's Rotring 600 in 0.5mm. Please give us a like and subscribe. Lots more video reviews coming up of pencils, mechanical pencils, vintage pencils, and some items like pencil sharpeners. Thank you for watching.